my name is Abby, and today I am going to discuss with you the rise of true crime and popularity. Today, millions of people, as we know, binge watch true crime documentaries and follow real cases online, sometimes even trying to solve the cases themselves. True crime dominates streaming platforms as a genre, as well as podcasts and social media. Almost everyone has heard of a major case or documentary of any kind. But why are we so drawn to stories that are often very dark and disturbing? True crime has become one of the most popular genres in modern media, and today I'm here to tell you why. Over the next couple moments, I will cover these three areas, which are the psychological reasons people are drawn to true crime, the sense of safety and control true crime provides, and the role of media and technology in increasing its popularity. So really quick, I am credible on this topic because I have researched psychological articles and studies conducted, as well as media related to the topic as a whole. So I'll start by explaining the psychological reasons behind the popularity of true crime. To start, true crime appeals to people because of natural curiosity revolving around danger, violence, and human behavior as a whole. Research shows that humans have what we call a morbid curiosity, meaning that we are naturally drawn to dangerous or disturbing topics, whether we like it or not. A psychological study found that true crime interest is linked to curiosity about violence and deviance, as well as an excitement and emotional engagement revolving around the topic. Studies show that these stories trigger strong emotions like fear and suspense, which activate the brain's reward system and keep people engaged in watching the content. So people aren't just watching for entertainment, they are trying to understand why crimes happen and how people think. Whether we realize it or not, our brains are thinking that way. So now that I've explained the curiosity, I am going to discuss how true crime provides a sense of safety and control. True crime gives people a way to feel more prepared for danger that they may face in real life. Studies show that people use true crime as a form of defense vigilance, meaning that they learn how to recognize threats and avoid danger. Psychology Today explains that true crime helps people feel a sense of control and emotional regulation by mentally preparing for risky situations that they might encounter. Many viewers, especially women, are drawn to true crime because it helps them identify possible threats, warning signs, anything like that in real life to hopefully feel safer. So true crime isn't just scary, it actually makes people feel safer and more aware of the world around them. So finally, I will get into talking about how media and technology have made true crime more popular than it ever has been. Modern media has made true crime a whole lot more accessible and interactive than ever before. According to Boston University research, people often become deeply involved in cases, even forming emotional connections, as we've seen when people send letters to, the people in prison and things like that. They form emotional connections and following updates constantly on social media. Social media allows people to act as citizen detectives, giving them a sense of participation and involvement in cases. Psychology Today also explains that streaming platforms, podcasts, and algorithms continuously feed users more true crime content, increasing engagement and obsession. So technology doesn't just show us true crime, it pulls us into it and it keeps us there so that we continue to be engaged. So for all these reasons, I will finish up by summarizing why true crime has become so popular. It's clear that true crime has become extremely popular in today's society, as we've discussed, and I've explained how true crime appeals to curiosity, provides a sense of safety and control, and has grown through media and social interaction. In the end, true crime shows us that our fascination really isn't about crime, it's about trying to make sense of people, the way they think, and the human mind, as well as danger and the world we are all a part in. Thank you.